Hello everyone. In this video, we learn about Italian numbers and exact Italian pronunciation from 21 to 50. I attached previous video in I button. If you are beginner, then go and check out first video. Let's start today's video from 20. 20 in Italian it's called venti. Venti. After 20, most of words are similar, so don't worry, it's easy to learn. 21, ventuno, ventuno, ventuno. 22, ventidue, ventidue. 23, ventitre, ventitre. 24, ventiquattro, ventiquattro. 25, 25, 25. 26, 26, 26. 27, 27, 27. 28, 28, 28. 29, 29, 29. You can see most of words are similar. Now we are complete 20s. Now next is 30. 30, 30, 30, 30. 31, 31, 31. 32, 32, 32. 33, 33, 33. 34, 34, 34. 35, 35, 35. 36, 36, 36. 37, 37, 37. 38, 38, 38. 39, 39, 39. 40, 40, 40. 41, 41, 41. You can see we dropped the last vowel from 40. Now it's 41. 42, 42, 42. 43, 43, 43. 44, 44, 44. 45, 45, 45. 46, 46, 46. 47, 47, 47. 48, 48, 48. 49, 49, 49. 50, 50, 50. Okay, we repeat the counting from 20 to 50 in this video. Now we repeat the tens only. You can also repeat with me for practice and pronunciation. 10, 20, 30, 40. And the last word is 50, 50. I hope my videos are helpful for you. If you like my videos, then don't forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you.